Hello, and welcome to the Oregon Department of Revenue's tutorial about our website, Revenue Online. Revenue Online is available via the main Department of Revenue webpage at the top right-hand corner, shown here. We'd like to highlight some of the functions available on Revenue Online. Those we'll show here are available without creating an account or logging in. However, creating an account and logging in will make it easier to work with your tax accounts. Let's start by looking at some of the functions without logging in or creating an account. Two of the most commonly used are Make a Payment and Respond to a Letter. Make a Payment lets you make a payment using either a checking or savings account or a credit or debit card. To make a payment from the Revenue Online homepage, select the Make a Payment link under the Quick Links section. Select your payment method. There's no fee for making a payment through a checking or savings account. Card payments are subject to a fee from the vendor who processes the payment. On this next screen, fill out the requested identifying information. The next question asks if you have a payment voucher. You do not need a voucher to make a payment. On the following screen, select the appropriate account, the payment type, filing frequency, and period. Most personal income taxpayers are annual filers, meaning you file your tax return for the prior year, January through December. The final steps will be entering your payment information, either bank account or card info, and the date you want the payment to be made. You can set up payments to be made at a future date. Once you submit the payment, you'll receive a request code. Save it for your records. Thanks for using Revenue Online. Your success in submitting your information helps the Oregon Department of Revenue maintain a good working relationship with the many Oregonians using our system.